Good morning. So we're going to Home Depot this morning, but before we do, right? Let's some coffee. 6:30 a.m. in the morning, and then we get started. So what I'm gonna do is buy the patio door, and then build the frame around it. I'm gonna buy like tempered glass window, glass put on the side. So this way, when we work inside the container, we can just, have the door open and have more lights and keep the AC running. All right, second run at Home Depot, second day. Each morning I usually go to Home Depot. So let's go. Yeah. Still driving, La Reine, the chicken queen, La Reine, and then I usually come here. There's a Pueblo's right there. I don't know, you didn't see it. And gas station. This road here is always tricky. They keep fixing it. It's always broken. Yeah, we just arrived. All right, so I purchased the door, as you can see, with 2x6. The door is super heavy, but I had like people here helping me out to put it there. There we go. Let's get that patio door started. Yeah, that's how it goes. That. All right. So I just came back from Home Depot, and then I'm gonna start the door. Before, no door. All right. That's it. 2x6. Now I need to open this box here. American Craftsman 50 series vinyl sliding patio door. So I'm not going to install a hurricane proof, because when there's a hurricane, we're going to close the door from the container. So I just need a regular Craftsman patio door, and that's the only one they have at Home Depot here. They don't have the Anderson and all that one piece, solid piece, but it's okay, because otherwise it would have been difficult to bring it up 12 foot high, by hand. on stairs and stuff. So, all right. So it's been a long day. So tonight I'm having jerk salad with my brother who came visit for the weekend.
Wait a minute.